Here's how to structure your ad objectives to generate quality leads. Hi, I'm Hyein. I'm Facebook ads and social media specialist. First off, before deciding which objectives you are going to go for, your ad budget is important matter to decide any action. So let's say your budget is quite small and you haven't invested in advertising yet, then you can go for some lead magnet campaigns first. The easiest way you can do is through traffic objectives or lead objectives, depending on what your industry is, to build your list or simply to generate leads. Number two, if your budget is large, you are from some big brands and you have a patience to see the results, then you can go a step further. First, you can start with video views, engagement objectives, and then you're going to retarget those data into step two. You can either choose traffic or complete registration to build your leads. The scenario could be your audience visit your funnel and then they opt in your newsletter to get freebies or any type of guides or just webinar registration here. And step three, finally, you can run conversion purchase objectives with these step two data. You're going to once again retarget number two audience to bring more sales. This way, you can track all of your data accordingly and actually sell something through ads. Follow for more.